That's right. While news of an effective vaccine has been welcomed by many people, it has also led to questions. People are wondering about the vaccination process, especially with multiple manufacturers making vaccines. One question from KREM viewers has to deal with if you can get the necessary doses from different vaccine makers. So let's verify. A KREM viewer named Laura asked about the COVID vaccination process. If first shot is Pfizer, can second be Moderna? Or must both shots be Pfizer in order for efficacy of the vaccine process? To verify, we spoke with Dr. Pyle Coley, a cardiologist and disease prevention expert, and Spokane Regional Health District Health Program Specialist, Kayla Myers.
So one of the reasons that the CDC is really issuing those immunization cards is because that first dose and second dose have to be the same manufacturer.
Dr. Coley says yes, you do have to get both doses from the same vaccine maker. This is because that while they both protect against the same virus, the vaccines themselves aren't the same. This was also addressed by Myers in a recent press conference.
The two doses that you receive need to be from the same vaccine manufacturer, so they're not interchangeable is what we usually say in the vaccine world. Once you start with Pfizer, you got to end with Pfizer. Once you start with Moderna, you have to end with Moderna.
Coley says another reason you have to use the same vaccine is the time required between doses. The gap for the Pfizer vaccine is shorter than that of the proposed Moderna vaccine.
The reason for that is because the vaccines are a little bit different. They have different components in them. The dosing interval is also different. So the Pfizer vaccine is given, separated by 3 weeks, whereas the Moderna vaccine is separated by 4 weeks, and hence the response of the immune system is different.
One more thing to note, immunization cards. While some people may be wary of being issued a card saying they received the first dose, Coley says you have nothing to fear. She says the whole purpose of the cards is simply to ensure that people who get their first dose also get their second dose, so the vaccine can work to its full strength. So we can verify that no, you cannot get the 2 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine from different manufacturers. Now, one last thing to reiterate about immunization cards, they are not mandatory. The cards are a completely optional and voluntary form that is meant to help you remember what vaccine you got and when you need to get that second dose. If you have something you'd like verified, email us at verify@krem.com or text the word verify to 509-448-2000. With your Verify, I'm Ian Smay.